Solve for the variable x in the equation shown below. Which of the following is true? Okay, so let's see. I have 3x minus 2. There are parentheses around it, but they are unnecessary. There's nothing to distribute, so I'm just going to take them away. Then I have plus 2 equals, and then I have this 4 that I'm going to distribute to my x minus 7. So I have 4x minus 28. Now on the left, I'm going to combine like terms. So I have a minus 2 and a plus 2, and those cancel. And so I have 3x equals 4x minus 28. I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. So I have 0 equals x minus 28. Add 28 to both sides, and we get x equals 28. Okay, so now I want to look through these lists. And first, I know that there's only one solution. So I can eliminate option C and option D because there's only one solution. And then um, I'm going to look in these lists for the 28, and here it is in part A. So A is the answer to this question.